Hello people, I hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter The Sound of Music. And the first part, which is about Evelyn Glennie, is written by Deborah Cowley. Let's have a look at the setting of the story. So this chapter draws inspiration from the extraordinary talents of two legendary musicians, Evelyn Glennie, a deaf percussionist, and Ravi Shankar, an iconic sitar player. This chapter illustrates their extraordinary journeys in the world of music despite facing significant challenges, highlighting passion, determination, and the transcendent power of art. So, Evelyn Glennie was born in Scotland and began losing her hearing at the age of 8. By the time she was a teenager, she was almost completely deaf. However, her love for music remained undeterred. Despite her disability, Evelyn learned to experience music through vibrations. She discovered that she could feel the sound through her body, which allowed her to play various percussion instruments effectively. Evelyn pursued formal training at the Royal Academy of Music in London and became a world-renowned percussionist. She has performed with prestigious orchestras and has received numerous honors, including multiple Grammy Awards. Evelyn's story emphasizes the importance of resilience and adaptability. She serves as an inspiration, showing that challenges can be overcome with passion, perseverance, and hard work. This chapter also introduces Ravi Shankar, a celebrated sitar player. He was a pivotal figure in introducing Indian classical music to global audiences. He began learning the sitar at a very young age and dedicated his life to mastering the instrument. Ravi Shankar also collaborated with various Western musicians, including George Harrison of the Beatles, which played a significant role in popularizing Indian music in the West. His innovative approach blended traditional Indian music with other genres, creating a unique sound. Through his music, Ravi Shankar acted as a cultural ambassador, fostering understanding and appreciation between different musical traditions. His dedication to his craft and contributions to music have left an indelible mark on both Indian and global music landscapes, inspiring countless musicians around the world. Now let's look at the themes of this chapter. Power of music. The chapter beautifully illustrates how music can transcend barriers and connect people across cultures and background. Determination and passion. Both Evelyn and Ravi Shankar exemplify how dedication to one's craft can lead to extraordinary achievements regardless of personal challenges. Inclusivity in art. The stories encourage readers to appreciate diverse forms of music and recognize the talent that exists beyond conventional norms. Last but not the least, we can conclude how this chapter transcends being merely a story about two musicians. It is a tribute to the human spirit and its ability to triumph over challenges through creativity and passion. Both Evelyn and Ravi Shankar demonstrate how talent, dedication, and an indomitable spirit can pave the way to greatness. This chapter also encourages readers to chase their dreams with determination and to cherish the beauty of music in its all diverse expressions.